Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs.Bhagwandeen.
Hola, it's Mr. Moreno.
This week, we're going to talk about 2D shapes.
Esta semana vamos a hablar de formas de dos dimensiones.
Okay, so on my screen over here, I'm going to make a little bit bigger spotlight. We're going to talk about 2D and 3D for a second.
Aquí vamos a hablar uno de 3 dimensiones y uno de 2 dimensiones por un segundo.
So, over here, I have a shape. This shape is a circle.
Eso ahí es un círculo.
It is a 2D shape.
De 2 dimensiones.
This over here is a 3D shape.
Eso es algo de 3 dimensiones.
Okay, there's a difference. Okay, so a 2D shape is flat, if you see how flat it is, right?
Uno de 2 dimensiones es chato.
It's small, it's thinner, flat. And then a 3D shape, I can move all around it.
Y el de 3 dimensiones, ella puede tocarlo por todos los lados.
Okay, so this one can roll, the 3D shape rolls, but the 2D shape doesn't roll.
El de 3 dimensiones puede hacer vueltas y el otro no, se queda chato.
Okay, so this is 2D, this is 3D. We're gonna
2D, 3D.
Okay, we're going to focus on 2D shapes. They're also called plane shapes.
Vamos a enfocarnos hoy en formas de 2 dimensiones.
Okay, so if you're going to look at my chart over here, I'm going to make my video just a little bit bigger. Okay, we have 2D shapes. There's 2 things we want to focus on. We want to focus on sides and vertices.
Hay 2 cosas que vamos a enfocarnos, son los lados y las vértices.
Okay, sides can be straight or they can be curved. So straight sides or curve.
Los lados pueden ser derecho o pueden ser curved, curvado, así o curvado.
So if we're looking at our oval over here, it has one curved side.
El óvulo único tiene un lado que es curvado.
Okay. And if I look at my triangle over here, I have 1, 2, 3 straight sides.
Y el triángulo tiene 3 lados.
Okay, so right now, well, since I did triangle, might as well just go ahead and do a square. We're going to look at a square.
Ahorita vamos a ver un cuadrado.
So a square has 4 sides.
Un cuadrado tiene 4 lados.
And all sides are the same length.
Y todos los lados son el mismo tamaño en un cuadrado.
So over here, if I'm looking at my side over here, this is a side.
Eso es un lado.
That's a side.
2 lados.
That's a side.
3 lados.
And this is a side. So
4 lados.
So we have 4 sides in a square. So 4 sides, and they are straight.
Y todos los lados son derechos.
Okay. So if I'm looking at my vertices, and vertices is just another word for corners.
Las vértices en otra manera es otra palabra para esquinas.
Okay, so corners. When you think about corners, think about when 2 straight sides meet.
Cuando piensas de una esquina son cuando 2 cosas derechas se conocen.
Okay, so when we think of corners, I'm going to do corners in a red. So here's where 2 sides meet. So it has 1.
Una esquina.
2,
2 esquinas,
3,
3 esquinas,
4.
4 esquinas.
So 4, we call that vertices.
Tenemos 4 vértices.
Over here, I'm going to just quickly draw a circle.
Ahí ella está pintando un círculo.
Okay, and it has one curved side. It has all the sides are curved. So really,
Todos los lados tienen curva.
and it has 0 vertices or vertex, 0 corners.
Tiene 0 vértices, 0 esquinas.
Okay, 0. And the sides are curved.
Y curvado.
So I'm going to share my screen with you, some of our 2D shapes.
Ella ahorita te va a enseñar algunos de nuestras formas de 2 dimensiones.
Okay, so we just talked about a circle. So all the way around, it is curved. It has 0 sides, 0 vertices, and a curved line.
Acá vamos a hablar de un círculo, no tiene lados, no tiene vértices y la línea es curvada.
This shape over here is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Remember, they are straight. Sides are straight.
Ese es un hexagon en inglés, tiene 6 lados, 6 vértices y las líneas son derechas.
Okay, so we're going to go over some of them a little bit quickly. So we have triangle. This is a triangle.
Tenemos triángulo, tiene 3 lados y 3 vértices y son derechas.
And this is called a trapezoid. So it has 4 sides like a square, but there's 2 that are slanted. There's one short one on top and one long one on the bottom.
Tiene 4 lados el trapezoid, tiene 2 que están como al lado y la de abajo es larga y la de arriba es corta.
Okay. We have a square, and a square has 4 sides that are all the same length.
Tenemos un cuadrado que tiene 4 lados que todos son iguales de largo.
So, and a rectangle, it has 4 sides. 2 of the sides right here, these 2 are short, and the one on the top and one on the bottom, they're long. So 2 sides are short, 2 sides are long.
Y el rectángulo, los de los lados son cortos y el de arriba y el de abajo son largos.
All right, and we're going to keep going. We have oval.
Tenemos un ovulado.
Okay, it's shaped like an egg. So no sides, no vertices, it just has a curved line.
Es como un huevo, no tiene ningunos lados o vértices, es una línea curvada.
Over here, it is called a pentagon. Pentagon is another word. Penta means 5. So if you look at it, there's 5 straight sides.
Esto es un pentágono. El nombre pentágono significa 5. Tiene 5 lados derechos.
And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices.
Y tiene 5 esquinas que llamamos vértices.
And then the last one we're going to talk about is called a rhombus. Sometimes you might call it, some people say it's like a diamond or a kite, but the real word we're going to use in first grade is rhombus.
El último que vamos a hablar ahorita es el rombo. El rombo, algunos dicen diamante o que parece un papagayo, pero para primer grado vamos a decir rombo.
Right, so it has 4 sides and they're slanted. They're not the same as a square or a rectangle.
Tiene 4 lados, pero están como a un ángulo, no son como un cuadrado.
Okay, and it has 4 vertices.
Y tiene 4 vértices.
Okay, so those are briefly, we just went over some of our shapes. We talked about sides and vertices. So now we're going to do a little game. We're going to play a little game together.
Acabamos de repasar los lados y las vértices. Ahora vamos a jugar un juego.
So, see if we can get this over here. So now, remember, our sides can be straight or curved. Vertices are like the corners.
Recuerden de que los lados pueden ser derecho o curvado y las vértices son como las esquinas.
Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So over here, boys and girls, I have a shape. It's a 2D shape. Whoa. I wonder how many sides this shape has.
I think it has.
Shape is this, Mr. Moreno?
It's a circle.
How many sides does a circle have?
I think it has 0 sides.
If you're right. Yay!
Oh, yes.
This is a 2D shape. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. What shape is this?
It's a rectangle, and I think it has 4 sides in all.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1.
Oh, yes.
Uh-oh. This is another 2D shape. What 2D shape is this?
It has 3 sides, so I think it's a triangle.
It is a triangle. 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle with 3 sides. Correct. Well, we just did one just like this, but I want to know now the vertices. And remember, vertices are where 2 sides meet, or the corners. Okay, so how many corners does this shape have?
So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. This has 4 vertices.
All right, so if oops, sorry, Mr. Moreno.
It's okay, Mrs.Bhagwandeen.
Can you see my shape?
I can see your shape.
Okay, so over here, Mr. Moreno pointed out that this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices.
4 vértices.
Yay! You are right. All right, so looking at this shape, 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short.
Too long. This one has 4 vertices, and I think it's a rectangle.
It is. You are right. Well done. 2 sides are short, 2 sides are long, and vertices are where 2 sides meet. Well done. Oh, you got the same one again. Be quick.
I think you're tricking me. This is the same, a different color, but it's still 4 vertices.
Yep, you are exactly right. Our last one.
That one is a square, and it has 4 vertices.
And remember, a square has sides that are all the same length. So if we flip this square upside down, the top would still be the same side.
So I think this is a square, right?
Yep.
But no matter how I flip it, all the sides are the same size. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4.
6, 4, 2. We're gonna go with 4. Well done. And then we're back to our circle. Well, boys and girls, that's 2D shape. A quick overview. We talked about our sides that can be straight or curved, and our vertices where 2 sides meet.
Ese es nuestro video de formas de 2 dimensiones. Hablamos de los lados que pueden ser derecho, curvado y las vértices que se pegan.
All right. So
Ciao.
we're going to challenge you to find some shapes around your house. Go on a little scavenger hunt or a shape hunt and find some of these shapes around your house.
Quiero que ustedes caminen alrededor de tu casa y busquen estas formas alrededor. Puede ser un rectángulo, como un celular, o como así, un cuadrado, Un rectangular. Un rectángulo.
You're getting
Go ahead and find them in your house this week.
All right. Bye, boys and girls. Enjoy your week.
Ciao.